Comes with an instruction manual. Looks like here you also get a charging cable. This is definitely a lot cheaper feeling than the one you get with the PlayStation. But right here is what really matters. This is our off-brand PS5 controller. You can definitely feel a weight difference with these. But if we go ahead and pull in a real PS5 controller right here, when you have them lying down like that, you probably wouldn't second guess it. But when you put it up like this, I feel like you can kind of notice a little bit is off on this controller. The buttons are a little bit darker on the official one versus the other one, whereas this one's a little bit more glossy. The buttons are a little bit firmer than they are on this controller. This one's really firm. This one is kind of loose, so definitely some quality control issues going on here. Overall, not a massive difference between the two, though you can tell something's a little bit off about this. The biggest difference is probably on the back. You can definitely tell that this one's the official one and that this one is an off-brand one. If you know what the weight of a regular PS5 controller feels like and you pick this up, you will probably be like, something doesn't feel quite right. You might not recognize it right away, but you would be like, okay, something's not right here. This is the official PS5 controller. This is the BDM040 version. You can see it is a 9.7. Go ahead and take the off-brand model here. You can see it is a 7.5 ounces, so it is about 2 ounce difference. And you can feel it. You can feel it. This one just feels like cheaper plastic and doesn't feel very solid. Most of the weight being distributed right in the center and not any like on the outer edges. Whereas the original one, it just feels like solid plastic. The weight feels distributed almost equally throughout the entire controller, which makes it have a very premium feel to it. It also flashes white when it's trying to connect. Whereas when you push this, it definitely shows up as a blue coloring.